Hey guys, it's your girl Mama L, and I am back at it again with another hair review. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're a loyal subscriber, stop being stingy and share me with your friends. It is not that hard. So today, as you could read by the title, we are doing another hair review video. It seems to be my niche now. It seems to be my thing. I was sent a unit from Daenerys. I think that's your name. I was sent a unit by them. It is gorgeous. I am in love, so to say. I applied it a different way this time, and I think your girl is getting this down pat. If you hear some noise, it's just my crackheaded neighbors downstairs. They are throwing a party, so do not mind them. So they sent me a 360 lace frontal wig, 20 inches body wave unit, and I'm loving it. I am loving it. Usually I haven't had hair that's like in between lengths, and I was actually excited to have that because I don't know, I just haven't had that in a long time. I either have a 24, 26 unit, or I have a bob. Like, I've never really had something in between. I wore the shirt so you guys could just see everything, you know. The frontal is really nice because it is a 360 wig. There wasn't really a comb at the bottom, but they do have like combs in the middle, which I'm not using. They also was nice enough to provide a strap. The only thing is the strap is a little bit different. It's not like the regular rubber band strap that people normally give you or you could buy at the store. It was more of like a clasp, like a bra clasp. So I'm just like, oh, it's different, you know, but it's nicer because you don't have to sew anything. I do like the regular band clasp better because it's just more flat. I would say like this clasp, it's like thicker and it kind of comes out, and I don't know if I'm really too much of a fan of that, but love the idea. Love the idea. So as you know from watching my last videos, the new way that I'm doing my hair reviews, I do have a system. So let's look at all the qualifications that this wig must have for the Mama L to verify it. 1, shipping, smell, service, packaging, shedding, tangling, touch texture, the lace, the construction, price, heat, and it's true to length. If it hits every single one of those points, you get a 10 out of 10. Or is that 11? I don't know. You get 100%. So starting with shipping. The shipping came pretty fast. Everyone was so sweet to communicate with over there. And you know there's always a language barrier, but they were so nice to communicate with. So I did get it from Amazon, and I don't think I used Prime, but it still came in on a decent time. I think it came in probably like, I don't know, 3-4 days. So I think the shipping, you get a 10 for the shipping. The smell of the hair, I will say it had a little bit of a scent, but nothing like that's completely disgusting and I'm just like, ew, I don't want this. So, you know what, I'll give you a point for that. I'll give you a 0.5 for that. Service, like I said before, 10 out of 10. They were the sweetest people I could communicate with. So y'all got that. Then packaging, the packaging was simple. It was packed in there together. It was basically just a unit and a comb, a nice tail comb, so thank you for that. Technically, this is it straight out of the box, to be honest, because I didn't wash it, which is something that I normally do, but I was running out of time and I wanted to get this video out for you guys. Shedding, tangling, so far I've experienced no shedding, and I have combed and paddle brushed it too. I haven't experienced no shedding, so, oh, y'all being friendly with me? Y'all doing it just for me? Or is it for everybody? Let me know. That's another thing too. When you guys buy this unit, please let me know how it goes, because I just want to know. Are you getting the same thing that I'm getting? Touch and texture. This unit is really soft. Now, is it the softest unit I ever had? No, but it is really soft and I love it. I don't know, and I think the curl pattern is the cutest. I haven't had body wave hair in a really long time. The lace, love the lace. So easy to operate with, especially when I was trying the new method that I was doing. Usually before, I used to cut the lace off in a zigzag or whatever pattern I want to do. Then I would put it on top of my head. But this time I was like, you know what, let me follow everybody on Instagram and glue it down while the whole lace is still there. Oh, I love this lace. This lace is a 10. Like, I love it. I love it, hands down. You can kind of see where I have my stocking cap there. But I hate my neighbors. The baby hairs was really cute. So I actually didn't pluck any of this. This is all what they gave me. If anything, I just cut down some strands so I could make my baby hairs. The construction wasn't too bad. Like I said, the only thing that irritated me was how big and bulky this little clasp is for the band part. And I will say one of the knickknacks in the back, it broke. But honestly, I'm not that pressed about it because I don't use it. So I think if I was a person that used it, I would be a little bit irritated to like the tightening. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? The tightening clasps in the back where you just put it together, like the little two thingies. That one of them broke. So I guess I won't give that a whole point. The price of this unit, I believe, goes for $116. I could screenshot it and put it right here for you guys. It goes for $116, and I don't think that's a bad price at all for this unit. I actually really do like it. This is one of the units that I would say, yes, this is worth the money. I love it. It's soft, it's cute, the curl pattern's cute, easy to work with. $116, you're getting a bargain, sis. Do not be greedy. I have curled some of it, and it curls really well. And it is true to length. It is 20 inches. So, yeah. That's really it, you know? I think this wig is really cute. I really do. Other than the little class situation I got going on right here, I think it's adorable. I am gonna rock it for a while, and you know I will give you an update on what's going on with this unit. Are you guys feeling this middle length? Because I am. I was getting tired of the bobs. I feel like I've been bobbing it and weaving it for like 3 months now. I needed some type of length. I needed it. So that's really it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I was helpful to you. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. And if you're a low subscriber, do not forget to share. Come on, you got your job too. Don't forget to comment. Let me know if you purchased this wig, and let me know when you get it the same exact wig as mine. I want to see some pictures. I want to make sure that all my girls are looking good. So that's really it. You know what? I might even just put another video here just for you because you're watching me. You're looking at me. I see you looking at me, looking at you, looking at me.